Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw capital letters alphabets A to Z. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Purple color, brown color, blue color, green color, light green color, red color, orange color, light green color, sky blue color, black color, yellow color, and green color. Kids, now you draw A.
I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
A for apple.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y.
B for ball.
Now I know my
C for cat.
Next time, won't you sing with me?
D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for God. Kids, now you draw H. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. J for joker. K for king. L for lion. M for moon. and N for nose. Kids, now you draw O. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rose. S for sun. T for teacher. Kids, now you draw U. U for umbrella. V for van. W for whale. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. And Z for zebra. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.